Dan Williams, Survive Outdoors. We are going to do a blind review and unboxing today. Hygiene, camping, hiking, it doesn't matter. You're out of water, you're on a well, you don't have electricity, how are you going to shower? So the blind review today is basically on, it's called Crud Cloth, just like what you see here. And everything you need is in this bag. It's gotten some amazing reviews on Amazon, so I thought I would check it out. It's like 27 bucks for a 4-pack in this box. Haven't even opened it. Sealed. So we're going to check that out. Now the thing of it is that when you aren't clean and you have a buildup of bacteria, yeah, you stink. But the other thing is that we have staph and strep on our skin all the time. It's there. When it over-colonizes is when we basically get an infectious process. And like MRSA, for example. MRSA is a methicillin-resistant staph infection, and that can be a real pain in the butt to cure. And it's getting resistant to more and more antibiotics. And it has to do with, at times, not really keeping yourself clean. Now, you can get MRSA. MRSA started basically in nursing homes, and then it got out of the homes and the hospitals, and it's in gyms, and it's in places where large crowds gather, and that's very commonly how you get a MRSA skin infection. And we're specifically talking about that, or a staph infection. And so if you keep yourself clean, you decrease that risk. Had an infectious disease doc, great guy, talked to me about after the antibiotic, and then if someone gets recurrent MRSA or a recurrent staph infection, his treatment modality is he does a Bactroban or a muciprocin in the nose, because MRSA loves to hang out in the nose. He'll do that twice a day, and then what he'll also do is HibaCleanse sponge showers for a week, and to clean the upholstery if you have upholstery in your car. So you can get all kinds of skin infections if you are not kept clean. Really important. So let's see what we got here. We have this box. We're going to open it up. Crud Cloth. All right, let's see what we got. And we are not sponsored by these guys, so it's an honest review. So, comes in, let's see, 1, 2, yeah, there's 4 in the box. Crud Cloth. It comes in unscented. There's one that's lemon. There's another one that, I can't remember the 4th one. This one is tea tree oil. I like the smell of tea tree, so I thought I'd pick that one. Says, Crud Cloth, go get dirty, shower in a bag. So what you want to do is, says, before opening the outer, smack the inner pod with a fist to pop it. I would think you could just squeeze it. They're really specific here. You got to punch it. So we're punching that puppy with my fist. I would assume it's good. Watch it explode and go everywhere, right? All right. Then we're going to, and when you're out in the outdoors, hiking and camping, I can see right now there's going to be, you pull this off, and I don't want to see any of my followers throwing this into the woods. So make sure you put this in your bag or in a some type of disposable container. And these are reusable, which is awesome. You can reuse these cloths, which is pretty amazing. And I didn't punch it hard enough. Look at that. There's the bag of water. So we're going to have to pop that. Well, you know what I'm going to do? We're going to use the knife. So I'm going to take the bag. I'm going to pop that bag with that knife and see what we get here. We're going to take the cloth. So that was the idea, is you want to pop that and soak this cloth, and you can wash these, I don't know how many times, but it's definitely washable, and that's nice. A lot of the ones you see, they're not reusable. Okay, it's soaked up all of the ingredients: purified water, cocoa glucoside, tea tree essential oil, and potassium hydroxide. There are others. Here's the scents: lavender, peppermint, mint, unscented, and lemon. Never expires. So there's another really pro. Smells like tea tree oil. Smells good. And it's really, I mean, it's literally basically a washcloth in a bag. That's what it is. A washcloth in a bag. And that actually is pretty awesome. You're on the trail for 4 or 5 days. Well, let's just bathe on camera, shall we? So, of course, you know, you should hit all 5 areas. Start with the face first, work your way down. We're going to stop at the face. Got to make this a G-rated video. And very, very nice. Smells good. And that's really all this is. It basically is a very solid washcloth in a bag with some scented oil and a little bit of the potassium hydroxide. Is that potassium hydroxide? Yeah, hydroxide. So, not bad. Look at that. And keep that, wet it down, put it back in the bag, and then what you can do is wash it, rinse it out, and you can use it again, depending on how dirty you are, right? Or take it home, wash it in soap and water, and you're in good shape. So yeah, Crud Cloth. Go get dirty. Not bad. 28 bucks for, what is that, $7? So not bad. Check it out, guys. The Crud Cloth on your camping, hiking trail. Keep one in your vehicle, in your glove compartment. I like it. All right, keep your eyes on the horizon. Face to the wind. Stay clean. See you next time.